In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the property type filter on Expedia. Whether you're planning a business trip or a leisurely vacation, knowing how to efficiently navigate the Expedia platform can significantly enhance your travel planning experience. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring that you're well equipped to make the most of this handy feature. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Expedia Philippines website. Here, you'll find everything you need for your travel, from vacation homes, hotels, and car rentals to flights and more. Once the page has loaded, make sure you're signed in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Otherwise, simply click on the Sign In button, typically located in the top right corner of the homepage. Logging in is essential because it allows Expedia to save your preferences, making it easier for you to pick up where you left off in future sessions. Once signed in, navigate to the homepage if you aren't automatically redirected there. Now that you're logged in and ready to go, it's time to input your chosen destination. In this example, let's say you're heading to Lapu-Lapu in Central Visayas, Philippines. Enter this into the destination field on the homepage. Once your destination is set, you will also need to enter your travel dates. Choose your check-in and check-out dates, as well as the number of adults and rooms required. With this information squared away, click on the Search button. This will prompt Expedia to generate a list of available accommodations that meet your criteria. It's important to note that these results are often sorted by recommended properties, but depending on your preferences, you can adjust this to better fit your search needs. After the search results populate, you'll find several filters on the page's sidebar, designed to help refine your options. One of these is the property type filter, which is particularly useful if you have a specific type of accommodation in mind. Maybe you're looking for a cozy apartment, a luxurious hotel, or perhaps something unique like a bed and breakfast. So, go ahead and click on Property Type. This action will unfold a menu with a list of accommodation types. Simply check the boxes that align with your preferences, and the results will automatically update to reflect your selections. This way, you can swiftly narrow down your options and find the perfect place to stay that meets all your expectations. And there you have it, a straightforward method to manage your accommodation options on Expedia by editing the property type filter. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for a smoother, more tailored travel planning process. Happy travels! And may your next adventure be just as effortless to organize.